कार्यशाळेच्या मध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत. आज आपण NTS संदर्भात कार्यशाळा घेत आहोत. या अगोदर NTS संदर्भात आपल्या 2 कार्यशाळा झाल्यात आणि ही NTS ची 3री कार्यशाळा आपण घेत आहोत. आज भांगर सरांच्या अनुपस्थितीमध्ये प्रतीक रणवे सर या सगळ्याचं टेक्निकली ॲक्सेस आपल्याला सर्वांना देत आहेत व आपल्याला आजच्या कार्यशाळेसाठी मार्गदर्शन करण्यासाठी श्रीमती अंजली ओगले मॅडम मुंबई या ठिकाणाहून आपल्याला जॉईन होत आहेत. मी या कार्यशाळेमध्ये जॉईन झालेले अंजली मॅडम, रणवे सर, भड सर, इतर सर्व पदाधिकारी आणि सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्रांचे हार्दिक स्वागत करतो. आजच्या कार्यशाळेला मार्गदर्शन करण्यासाठी ज्या मॅडम आलेल्या आहेत श्रीमती अंजली दिलीप ओगले मॅडम, मी यांचा संक्षिप्त परिचय आपल्याला देतो. मॅडमचा 25 वर्षाचा अध्यापनाचा अनुभव आहे. गणित, जीवशास्त्र आणि रसायनशास्त्र या तिन्ही विषयावर मॅडमची पकड आहे. आजपर्यंत मॅडमनी राष्ट्रीय प्रज्ञाशोध परीक्षा, गणित प्रावीण्य परीक्षा, गणित प्रज्ञा मार्गदर्शन संदर्भात विविध ठिकाणी मार्गदर्शन केलेलं आहे. आजच्या कार्यशाळेमध्ये सुद्धा मॅडम वर्ग 10वीच्या NTSच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना मार्गदर्शन करण्यासाठी आपल्याकरिता उपस्थित झालेले आहेत. मी मॅडमचं शब्दसुमनाने स्वागत करतो व मॅडमला विनंती करतो की आपण आपल्या मार्गदर्शनाचा लाभ आम्हा सर्वांना द्यावा, ही विनंती.
थँक्यू. मी आता शेअर करते, स्क्रीन शेअर करते. सर स्क्रीन दिसत आहे ना बरोबर?
हो हो मॅडम.
आणि आवाज पण येतोय? ओके, मी कंटिन्यू
येतोय.
हां ठीक आहे.
वेलकम.
हां ठीक आहे, चालेल. मग मी करते सुरुवात. तर आज विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आज आपण ट्रिग्नॉमेट्री या विषयावरती आपण आज करणार आहोत. तर ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रीचा अभ्यास करताना पहिल्यांदा आपण थोडक्यात बघूया की ट्रिग्नॉमेट्री हा ग्रीक शब्द आहे आणि ट्रिगोनॉन म्हणजे ट्रायंगल आणि मेट्रॉन म्हणजे मेजर. तर मेजरमेंट किंवा त्रिकोणमिती, त्रिकोण मोजणे आणि इतर गोष्टी मोजणे. तर ही एक मॅथमॅटिक्स एक ब्रांच आहे आणि ती आपल्याला असं दाखवते की लांबी किंवा इतर अँगल, विशेषतः अँगल आणि लांबी यांचं आपल्याला काय रिलेशन आहे हे आपल्याला याच्यातनं कळतं. आणि त्याच्यावर आधारित समजा एखाद्या उंच टॉवरची उंची मोजायची असली, एखाद्या उंच झाडाची उंची मोजायची असली तर आपल्याला अशा प्रकारच्या, किंवा लांब अंतरावर असलेल्या डोंगराचं माप मोजायचं असलं, किती अंतरावर आहे, तर हे सुद्धा आपल्याला त्रिकोणमितीच्या साहाय्याने शोधता येतं. आता आपण हे मागच्या वर्षी शिकलेलो आहोत. थोडीशी रिव्हिजन म्हणून आपण घेऊया. थीटा हा अँगल घेतला जातो आणि या अँगलच्या समोरची बाजू म्हणजे अपोजिट, ॲडजसंट म्हणजे ही शेजारची, आणि हायपोटिनियस म्हणजे कर्ण. तर साइन थीटा अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हायपोटिनियस, कॉस थीटा म्हणजे ॲडजसंट साइड, लगतची बाजू भागिले कर्ण. इंग्लिश आपण लिहिलेलंच आहे. टॅन थीटा म्हणजे अपोजिट साइड अपोजिट साइड आणि भागिले ॲडजस्टंट साइड, म्हणजे समोरची बाजू भागिले लगतची बाजू. तर हे आपले झालेले आहेत पूर्वी. आणि याही गोष्टी 9वी मध्ये आपण शिकलेलो आहोत की साइन थीटा म्हणजेच 1 कोसेक थीटा. थीटा हा अँगल आहे. कॉस थीटा म्हणजेच बरोबर 1 सेक थीटा आणि टॅन थीटा इज 1 कॉट थीटा. तर हे त्याला म्हणतो आपण रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशन किंवा इन्व्हर्स रिलेशन. कोशंट रिलेशन असेल तर टॅन थीटा बरोबर साइन थीटा भागिले कॉस थीटा. कॉट थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा. पायथागोरसच्या नियमानुसार आपल्याला हे सिद्ध करता येतं की साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा बरोबर 1. हे मागच्या वर्षी 9वीच्या इयत्तेमध्ये या गोष्टी झालेल्या आहेत, म्हणून हा आपण पुन्हा नको करूया. टॅन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस 1 इज सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा आणि कॉट स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस 1 इज कोसेक स्क्वेअर थीटा. हे तुम्ही लिहून पण घेऊ शकता, कारण फॉर्म्युलेज आपल्याला नेहमीच लागतात. तर पहिल्या पानावर नेहमी फॉर्म्युलेज लिहिले तर आपल्याला खूप सोपं पडतं. पहिल्या 2 पानांवरती, गणिताच्या पहिल्या 2 पानांवर फॉर्म्युलेज लिहित जायचे. जर आपला अँगल 90 पेक्षा कमी असेल म्हणजे लघुकोन असेल तर साइन 90 मायनस थीटा बरोबर कॉस थीटा आणि कॉस 90 मायनस थीटा बरोबर साइन थीटा बरोबर याच्या विरुद्ध आहे. म्हणजे 90 अंश वजा, समजा आपल्याला असा हवा असेल साइन 50 अंश म्हणजेच कॉस 40 अंश. 50 आणि 40 दोघांची बेरीज 90 येते. त्याचप्रमाणे टॅन 90 मायनस थीटा इज कॉट थीटा. सेक 90 मायनस थीटा इज कोसेक थीटा. आणि कोसेक आणि सेक त्यांचे पण असेच विरुद्ध प्रमाणात आहेत, वाईस वर्सा. गेल्या वर्षी आपण असंही शिकलो होतो की अँगल डिग्रीज आणि 30, 45, 60 आणि 90 असेल तर साइन 0 बरोबर 0, साइन 30 इज हाफ, साइन 45 इज 1/√2, साइन 60 इज √3/2, साइन 90 इज 1. cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is √3/2, cos 45 1/√2, cos 60 is 1/2 आणि cos 90 is 0. आता व्हॅल्यूज बघा. cos 45 sin 45 सेमच आहेत. cos 30 आणि cos 60 समान आहेत आणि sin 60 आणि cos 30 सेम आहेत. tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1/√3, tan 45 is 1 and tan 60 is √3. But tan 90 is not defined. त्याचं कारण sin theta upon cos theta येतं, sin 91 upon cos theta 0 येतं आणि 0 ने आपण डिफाईन नाही करू शकत, भागू शकत नाही, म्हणून ही tan नॉट डिफाईन्ड येते. आता आपण गणितांकडे वळूया. ही गणितं आपल्याला आपल्या स्टेज 1च्या पेपर्समध्ये घेतलेली आहेत, तर ती गणितं आपण घेऊया इथे. In right triangle ABC, BC is 7 centimeter, AC minus AB is 1 centimeter, angle B is 90 degrees, and the values of cos A plus cos B plus cos C we have to find out of this. आता प्रथम आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल तर BC 7 सेंटीमीटर आहे आणि AC आणि AB मधला डिफरन्स इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. तर फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ दिस ट्रायंगल. BC 7 सेंटीमीटर आणि ही जर 7 सेंटीमीटर असेल तर पायथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट प्रमाणे AB will be 24 and BC will be 25 by Pythagorean theorem. Now AC square, we have found out that AC square, AC 25, AB is 24. कारण आपले हे ट्रिपलेट्स आपल्याला माहिती झालेले आहेत. Now we will find cos A. So cos A will be cos A. So A is the angle here. It is 24 upon 25. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Then cos B. Cos B is 90. Cos 90 is 0. And cos C is now cos C. So C is the angle here. So adjacent side is 7. Hypotenuse remains same, 25. So 7 upon 25. So we are adding only these two numbers. 31 upon 25 is the answer. I hope you have understood this.
YouTube link कुठे आहे?
नाही दिली आज. मेसेज पाठव किंवा फोन कर. हाँ, sorry, yeah. If cos A plus cos square A is 1, then value of sin square A plus sin raised to 4A ही आपल्याला काढायची. So जे दिलेलं आहे ते तिथून आपण सुरुवात करतो. Whatever given, from that we start. Cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1. It is given. So cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. And we know 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Now we want to find sin square A plus sin raised to 4A. So sin square A आपण तसंच ठेवला. And instead of sin raised to 4A, it is sin square A square. A चा square करत नाहीत, लक्षात ठेवा. We don't do square of the angle. Angle is a term used for that angle particular. Sin is a value of that angle and that value square it is. So sin square A square. That gives you sin square A plus cos square A, and that will give you 1. Okay. So, sin square A is cos A, right? So sin square A is, we have written that. So cos square A plus sin square A, and we got value 1. It is already given. The value is already given to us. तुम्ही लिहून पण घ्या विद्यार्थ्यांनो. तुम्ही लिहून घ्या, please student, you write the question also in short. Option you need not write, let it be, but you should write for this question the question and the given things. So when you will read afterwards, that time you will understand what was the question and how to solve it. At present I cannot give you time to solve, otherwise we will not finish many examples. I feel that it is better to finish more examples and afterwards you can solve on your own many more also. So this week it is better to solve trigonometry example from your 10th standard book. So now by this time you must have written 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is 5. Okay. So the solution is here. 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is 5. Now we will square both sides. So here by squaring both sides, we get 5 square 25, and this we will square. 3 sin theta square is 9 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta plus 30 sin theta cos theta. It is a middle term. Like how we write a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 3 5s are 15 into 2, 30 sin theta cos theta, middle term. Today is the first day, that's why we are doing in details that about the remembering the a plus b whole square also. So 25. Now what we will do is, instead of sine square theta, we will put the value 1 minus cos square theta. For sine square theta, we will replace 1 minus cos square theta. 9 remains as it is. Plus 25. Instead of cos square theta, we will write value 1 minus sine square theta. Why? You will say why it is. Because we want 5 sine theta or 25 sine square theta. So with this method we will get. Now suppose you open this all. Open it. So one more bracket you will write. Here it doesn't fit, that's why I have not opened. So it will be 9 minus 9 cos square theta. Yeah, minus sign is there. Then plus 25 minus 25 sine square theta plus 30 sine theta cos theta is equal to 25. Now adjust that, cancelling 25 from both sides and make minus 9 cos square theta positive, means multiply by minus 1. We get 9 cos square theta. This was minus sine square 25 sine square theta. That also becomes plus 25 sine square theta. This will become negative. That is minus 30 sine theta cos theta. And 9 here, that we will be shifting to other side. So it is equal to 9. Now this is also a square of 5 sine theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 9. That is asked. That's why we have taken this first and 3 cos theta in minus sign. So 5 sine theta minus 3 cos theta is either plus or minus 3, because 9 is a perfect square of either plus 3 or minus 3. Till now, up to 8th standard or so, we were not writing a minus sign, but actually it is correct that you have to write plus 3 or minus 3. Minus 3 square is also 9. Now, this is a big question, so please take down properly. Now it is, or you can take the screenshot also. Now 3 cos 43 degrees and sine 47 degrees. Just check what is the total of these. It is 90. Right? Now cos 37 and cosec 53. What is total of 37 and 53? You will find it is also 90. Now let us solve this. So the solution is here. So we have taken 3 cos 43 upon sine 47 square. But we know cos of 43 is sine of 90 minus 43. 90 minus 43 is 47. So it is 3 sine 47, denominator 47. Degrees of course are there. Every time we are not reading degrees, but degrees are there, assume that. Now cos 37 and cosec 53 we will write as denominator sine 53. Okay, cos 37 upon sine 53, that is cos 37 is sine 53 and the value will become 1. Now 1 upon the remaining thing, tan 5, tan 25, tan 45 is 1. So 1 is put. Tan 65 is cot 90 minus 65. So cot 25. And tan 85 is cot of 90 minus 85, that is 5. Now we know tan 5 and cot 5 answer is 1. Similarly, tan 25 and cot 25 answer is also 1. Now we will get 3 square, that is 9, minus this whole answer is not 0, remember, it is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. If the things cancel, we get 1. Remember that it is not 0. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So that the revision was already taken, that tan phi is cot of 90 minus phi, that we have done. Now once again we are revising little bit so that it is easier to put the values and check the answers. Sin 30 is cos 60. It is half. It is easier to remember. Sin 30 is cos 60 is equal to half. Sin 60 is equal to cos 30, that is equal to root 3 upon 2. Sin 45 and cos 45 are same. It is 1 upon root 2. Same values for both angles. Now angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 and tan theta we will be seeing the values. Tan theta is, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90 is infinite. Because we will be using these values frequently, so once again we will revise this. So now it is given, if sin theta is 4 upon 5, we have to find value of 4 tan theta minus 5 cos theta upon sec theta plus 4 cot theta. तुम्हाला सर्वांना नीट दिसतंय ना? बरोबर दिसतंय आणि आवाज येतोय का? Okay, I'll continue. So now I have drawn triangle. Sin theta is 4 upon 5. So here is theta. Opposite side is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Now we will write all values for tan, cos, sec and cot so that it will be easier to work out. Sin theta already given 4 by 5. Now tan theta is here. Opposite upon adjacent. So 4 upon 3. Cot theta is reverse of tan. That means 3 by 4. Sec theta is reverse of cos. Cos is theta. Adjacent is 3 upon 5. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And the sec theta is reverse of cos. That is 5 by 3. Now we will write these values. 4 tan theta. So 4 into 4 by 3 minus 5 into 5 cos theta. Value of cos theta is 3 by 5. So write that. Then 5 by 3 sec theta value and 4 cot theta. So 4 into 3 by 4. Now wherever it is possible we have to divide. Now here 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Here this will not get cancelled. This is numerator, remember. Here it will not get cancelled. By mistake some student cancel. It is not cancelable. It is 16 upon 3 minus, here 5 cancel. So only minus 3 will remain. Here 4 and denominator 4 cancels. So 5 by 3 plus 3. Now just solve this. Denominator 3. 16 minus 3 3s are 9. As normal fraction we solve. 5 plus 3 3s are 9. Denominator 3 will get cancelled. Here 7 is there and here 14 is there. So 7 upon 14, that is 1 by 2. Now the next question, pi cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 whole denominator sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Remember it is seen as no, it is not. It is cos square 30. Cos square 30. Okay. These two got joined that way. Now it is cos 60, we know it is half. Sin 30 is cos 60 is half. But we have to make square also. So phi in the bracket 1 by 2 square plus 4 into sec square theta, that is reverse of cos square 30. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2. Reverse of that is 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 is 1. Now whole denominator, sin square 30 is half square plus cos square, it is already explained, it is cos square 30. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now let us square this. Phi is as it is 1 upon 4 plus 4 into, it is multiplied 4. 4 4s are 16 upon 3. Directly it is done. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. Whole denominator 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 upon 4. Don't forget 2 square as 4. Many times what happens? We forget to make square of 2. All whatever numbers in the bracket, we have to square and write. And then solve it. Solve as how we solve the fraction. The denominator is 1 only. And this fraction we have to solve. We get 67 upon 12. I hope it is clear to you. समजलं असेल तुम्हाला. जर नसेल तर तुम्ही मला व्हॉट्सअपवर विचारू शकता. मी फोन नंबर देते शेवटी. आता आपण बघूया पुष्कळदा आपल्याला अँगल ऑफ एलिव्हेशन आणि डिप्रेशन हे विचारलेलं असतं. तर अँगल ऑफ एलिव्हेशन आणि डिप्रेशन. आता तुम्ही म्हणाल की आम्हाला तर हे कितीतरी आठवडे शिकवत असतात. कदाचित असं होतं 2-3 आठवडे आपल्याला शिकवतात. पण आपल्याला NTS करायला वेळ कमी पडतो म्हणून आपण हे एकाच दिवशी घेतोय. And that's why we are covering angle of elevation and depression on the same day only. Now draw this figure so that this is a human or eye you can draw. And object is here. Suppose object is here. Then if you are observing this object, this angle to the ground is angle of elevation. If you are observing, if you are high up on the floor and you are observing the object below, then it will be angle of depression. So angle of elevation and angle of depression. So you must have done this. Draw this. Whenever you are observing, that time only it is better to draw. Now based on that, the questions are there. The angles of, wait a minute. We will take this question first. It is little bit easier. So it will be better for us now. How to find the distances according to the angles. So let BC represent the height of tower. A man is walking, the question, first question. The man is walking along a straight road. He notices that top of tower subtending angle A is 60 degrees with the ground at the point where he is standing. And if the height of tower is 30 meters h, then what is the distance in meters of the man from the tower? So this is the question given. So first I showed you the diagram purposely, so that BC is the tower and height is h. The person is here and he is watching. The height of that tower is 30 meter h. And A is representing the point where the man is standing. Now this elevation angle is 60 degrees. He observes angle subtended by the tower. This is angle of elevation because from the ground upward. So 60 degrees. Now how to find the distance? You will think that nothing is given, only 30 meter. But yes, from that you can find, because now we know relation of angle and distance. And actually that is the purpose of learning trigonometry, that learn distances with the angles, with relation to the angles. So here we can use tan A. Tan A is tan 60 degrees. That is opposite upon adjacent. That means H upon D. That is equal to tan 60 is √3. We know it. Tan 60 is √3. And then distance will be equal to 30 upon √3. That will be equal to, now √3 value you take, and then √3 values many times it is given also, 1.73, etc. That value is given. If it is given, then only work for it, otherwise don't. And if you divide that number to 30, you will get 17.32. Now don't divide. At present we are learning, not division. So division directly you can write and clarify afterwards. Practice it afterwards. So this we have done. Now we will do this angle of elevation and depression. This question we will do. Here angle of elevations of the top of tower from 2 points in the same straight line. So these two, this is a straight line, D is a point and C is a point. Distance 9 meter and total 16 meters. If you go away, this angle will be less. If distance is more, angle is less. If distance is less, angle will be more. Now let us write. Now in this question, AB is a tower. And if you observe from D, this distance will be 16. And suppose you come nearer, this distance will be 9. It is assumed that you understand. It is not written, but it is written. And the angles of elevation are complementary. We can understand complementary means this is theta, then this will be 90 minus theta. Okay. This is theta, then 90 minus theta are called complementary angles. Now tan theta is h upon 9 and tan 90 minus theta is h upon 16. But 90 minus theta is cot theta. We have learned that tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So if you multiply these two, tan into h by 16. So h square upon 9 into 16. We have multiplied these two numbers. So h square it is, h square. So now 1, this answer is 1. 1 into 9 into 16 is h square. Therefore, h is equal to root of 9 and 16, that is 3 into 4, 12. Height must be 12 meter. Tower height is 12 meter. H is the height of the tower. And here complement, and therefore it becomes tan 90 minus theta, that is cot theta. And we have multiplied the first and second equation. So it is h square upon 9 into 16. Now solving the equation, tan theta into cot theta is 1. So h square upon 9 into 16 is 1. Find value of h, that is 12 meters. Now this is a bit different example. An aeroplane is flying horizontally at the height 3150 meter, 3150 meter above the ground. So here it is flying. Assume that the aeroplane is flying here at this point. Now at particular instant, it passes another plane vertically below it. Here is another plane vertically below it. Here is first plane. Here is the second plane. So vertically below. At that instant, at this instant, angles of elevation of plane from the point on the ground. So suppose somebody is on the ground here. So the angle of elevation, this is 60, and another plane, it is 30 degrees. It is given. The below angle, 30 degrees. Above angle will be 60 degrees. So with 60 degrees, you will cover more distance, and with 30 degrees, it will be less distance. Now let us write tan 30, we know it is 1 by root 3. And now tan 30, so we are considering this triangle. So tan 30 is opposite side 3150 minus x upon y. That is equal to 1 by root 3. Also we will write second equation also. We will write this tan 60 is whole angle tan 60. It is equal to this whole distance, which is 3150 upon y. That is root 3. Now if we solve the equations, multiply, solve the equations. So 1 by this, we are doing this. You will get 3150 minus x. Divide this by this number 3150. Y will get cancelled out if you divide. And tan 30 upon tan 60 will be equal to 1 by 3. Now multiply this by 3. Solving the equation, we will get x is 2100. 2100. X is 2100. And if, yeah, that is only asked, that is distance between the planes. This is upon, no? So 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So 1 upon 3 you will get. It is divided. This number divided by this. Tan 30 divided by tan 60. So I hope you don't have now any doubt about it. And by this time, you may jot down also. At least figure you jot down. and take down the answer also. So you can try and get this answer. Now similar question. Similar, not same, but similar kind. Many times these questions are asked. So we are doing it. On the level ground, angle of elevation of, this is a tower, suppose its height is h. Height is h, we have taken. This distance we have taken x from the tower. Don't consider the thickness of tower, etc. Don't consider. Only this line we will consider. So this distance is x, and this distance from second position, it will be 20 plus x. It will be total 20 plus x it is. Now on level ground, angle of elevation of top of tower is 30 degrees. So first tower means one line is drawn and this angle is drawn 30 degrees. Now on moving 20 meter nearer to it. Now this man became here now. Because of that, here he is now. This angle became 60 degree now. Elevation is 60 degrees now. So you have to find height of the tower. Only this distance 20 meters, that is only given. Still we can find. See, tan 30, most of the time we will take tan 30 is equal to tan 30 here. Is equal to height, opposite side, upon x plus 20. Or you can write 20 plus x. Same it is. If you take the tan 30 value 1 by root 3, it is equal to h upon 20 plus x. Now you want h. So shift it, multiply it to 1. 20 plus x upon root 3 is equal to h. Cross multiply, get the answer. Now tan 60 is equal to h upon x. This is h upon x because we are considering only this small triangle. So h upon x, that is tan 60 is root 3. So h is equal to root 3 into x. X is not under root sign, remember, only root 3 into x. So now height is, here we will fill from here, h is root 3x is equal to 20 plus x upon root 3. Replace the value of h in first equation here. Now multiply. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3x is 20 plus x. Take x to this side, it will become 2x. Now 2x will be equal to 20. And therefore x is equal to 10. Here it is plus. When you set the side, you will change the sign. Or subtract x from both sides. That is also same thing it is. So h you can calculate from this. X is 10. X is 10. But we know height is root 3x. That means root 3 into 10 or 10 root 3. This answer, fourth option, 10 root 3. This we have done previously. चला आता एक मुलगा पतंग उडवतोय ते बघूया आपण. Wait a minute. A little boy is flying a kite. The string of the kite makes an angle 30 degrees with the ground. So suppose 30 degrees from the ground. This angle also will be 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Consider this and it will be 30 degrees. If the height of the kite is 21 meter, this whole height is 21 meter. Find length of the string that the boy has used. How much is this string? That we have to find. So height of the kite from the ground is 21 meter and the angle is 30 degrees. So now let us see the solution. Now here we have drawn only kite just to show which position. This height from the ground, it is 21, right? This is 21. This angle is 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees given. And we have to find the length of the string of the kite. This is not 1, it is L. L it is. We know 30, 60, 90 formula. Opposite to 30 degrees, opposite to 30 degrees is half of hypotenuse. That means hypotenuse is double that of opposite side. Hypotenuse is double. So if this is 21, this must be 21 into 2, 42 meters. You can do same thing by sine formula also. Sine 30 is H upon L. This is L, which is equal to 1 by 2. That means length L of the string is 2 times height, which is 42. Same it is. Anyhow, whether you use sine 30 or use 30, 60, 90 theorem, that is done last year also. Now this one is a few more we will do so that it will be fixed in your mind. Angle of elevation, and you know it is 30 and 60 most of the time. Most of the time 30, 60 or rarely 45 is also used. And that's why we have revised the values of sine 30, cos 60, tan 30, tan 60. Right? Now this is the horizontal to the ground. Okay. And this is tower, one tower. This is another tower also. 2 towers are there. They face each other and they are separated by distance 30 meters. So distance between them is 30 meters. As seen from the top of first tower, angle of depression of second tower is 60 degrees. Top to top 60 and top to bottom 30. Now let us draw this. This is top to bottom 60 degrees here. This is 60. So this is alternate angle is also 60. Now if you see it at the top, it is 30 and draw the line. This is also 30 because alternate angle, व्युत्क्रम कोण 30 degrees, 30 अंश. आता तुम्ही सगळेजण 10वीत आहात, ऑलरेडी आहात, तर तुम्हाला आता सेमी इंग्लिशची पण सवय झालेली असेल किंवा सायन्स मॅथ्स मोस्ट ऑफ यू तुम्ही इंग्लिशमधून करत असाल, म्हणून आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलत आहोत. मधून आपण फक्त मराठीत बोलत आहोत. सो tan 60, आता आपण बघूया tan 60. tan 60 इज इक्वल टू AB अपॉन AC. समोरची बाजू भागिले लगतची बाजू. Opposite upon adjacent, that is tan 60. So suppose we have taken distance is that D. So D tan 60. BE is equal to D tan 30. This is D. D tan 30. At the height of second tower is this AB minus BE, because that it is only DC, no? So EA. EA is CD, which is equal to BA minus BE. So AB minus BE. That means D in the bracket tan 30 minus tan 60 minus tan 30. And D is 30 meters. It is already given 30 meters. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into 30. So this is 3 minus 1, 2 upon root 3. And if you put the value of root 3, you will get this value 34.64. Now this last one we will take. Two men on opposite sides of a TV tower. So these are the two men. He is from this side, he is from this side. TV tower of height 26 meters. So this TV tower is 26 meters. They notice angle of elevation of the top of this tower to be, one observes 45 and other observes 60 degrees respectively. So one person will observe 45 degrees, another person, he may be little bit nearer to it, he will observe 60 degrees. Find distance between the two men. So distance between two men is how much? That we have to find. So in this solution, now CD is representing the tower. This TV tower is CD. Now one man is here. He is observing 60 degree elevation and this person is observing 45 degrees elevation. Now we will write tan A is equal to tan 60. That is equal to CD upon AD. And tan 45 is equal to CD upon DB or BD. The distance between two men is AB. So AB is total distance between two men that we have to find. That means AD plus DB we have to find. That means AD is what? AD is CD upon tan 60. And what about DB? BD is CD upon tan 45. Now we got these two addition. So CD is 26. The height of tower is given 26 meters. So 26 upon root 3 plus 26 upon 1. Why we have taken 1 is tan 45 is 1. So rationalize this number and solve. So it will be 26 into root 3 upon 3 plus 26. And if you solve, you will get 41.01 meters. So this we have already done. It's just similar. This last one we will do. This last one, yeah. Simple it is. A pole of height h is 20 feet. Pole has a shadow of length L. Shadow of length L. That is also 20 feet here. Shadow will be here. Can you see the shadow is there? This is a pole, electric pole or some pole, and the sun is making the shadow on the ground. That is 20 feet shadow at a particular instant of time. You know, as the sun changes the position, shadow position will change. But at that position, this is also 20 feet. Find angle of elevation of sun at that point. So think about it. Angle of elevation we have to find. So in the given figure, BC represents the pole. Every time you will not draw pole and shadow, no. This was for explanation. But when you solve, you will know that BC is the tower or whatever pole it is. And the shadow is this AB on the ground. Horizontally it should be. So take tan A, which is 20 upon 20. Tan of this angle is 20 upon 20. That is 1. But for which angle tan theta is 1? It is 45 degrees. And therefore, angle of elevation is 45 degrees. So today we have studied about trigonometry and the question asked in NTSC exam based on trigonometry. Now practice trigonometry from your own textbook first and then find out problems from NTSC books which are available in the market also. Sometimes our organization also gives you some papers. So practice from that. Practice is a must for all kind of trigonometric work. Yes, it takes time, but that much time you should solve the problem during exam also. If you practice more at home, then during exam time, you will save the time. Because today how we have written values of all like sine, cos, tan, everything. But during exam, you need not write all values. You will be knowing that values and therefore you can make the work faster. So with this, I'm ending the presentation and the class, today's class.
धन्यवाद मॅडम. माझा आवाज येतोय?
हो, येतोय.
हा, धन्यवाद मॅडम. आपलं सुंदर असं मार्गदर्शन आमच्या सगळ्यांना दिल्याबद्दल मी माझ्यातर्फे धन्यवाद मानतो आणि मी आभार प्रदर्शनासाठी सन्माननीय भड सर यांना आमंत्रित करतो. भड सर, तुमचा आवाज नाही येत. भड सर, आवाज येत नाहीये.
हॅलो, आता येतोय?
हो, आता आवाज येतोय.
ओके. तर धन्यवाद भुरे सर. मॅडमच्या बाबतीत सांगायचं झालं, खरोखर ताई तुम्ही आज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ज्या पद्धतीनं शिकवली, थोडं इंग्लिश वर्ड होतं आमच्या ग्रामीण मुलांसाठी, परंतु आपण मधात जे मराठी वर्ड त्याच्यामध्ये यूज करत होते त्यामुळे आमच्या ग्रामीण भागातल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना सुद्धा ते ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सारखं गणितातलं कठीण वाटणारं अतिशय सोप्या पद्धतीने आपण समजून दिलं. आणि त्याला तुम्ही जे उदाहरणाची जोड दिली, म्हणजे कदाचित एका वेळेस एकच उदाहरण जर सांगितलं असतं तर विद्यार्थ्याच्या लक्षात आलं नसतं, परंतु आपण उदाहरणं देखील त्या पद्धतीने घेतले. 4-4, 5-5 उदाहरणं घेऊन त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन, अँगल ऑफ एलिव्हेशन, टॅन काय असतो, थिटा काय असतो, साईन काय असतो, त्याचे काय कसे मेजरमेंट घ्यायचे आणि एकाच वेळेस एक एलिव्हेशन, 2 माणसं असतील तर 2 एलिव्हेशन, अशा सर्व प्रकारचे उदाहरणाचं सुंदर असं कॉम्बिनेशन या पाठामध्ये तुम्ही केलं. त्याबद्दल मी आपले खूप खूप राज्यस्तरीय शालेय स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या कार्यशाळेच्या वतीनं आभार मानतो. अशीच आपल्यामध्ये जी काही वक्तृत्व क्षमता आहे, विद्यार्थ्यांना समजून सांगण्याची क्षमता आहे आणि आपला उत्साह आहे, तो असाच टिकून राहावा असं निसर्गाच्या समोर मी आव्हान करतो आणि आपल्याला प्रेरणा मिळो असंच सत्कार्य आपल्या हातून हो अशी अपेक्षा करतो. खूप खूप धन्यवाद आमच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्याच्या वतीनं, पालकाच्या वतीनं आणि आपली जे काही राज्यस्तरीय शालेय स्पर्धा परीक्षा मार्गदर्शन कार्यशाळा आहे त्या सर्व मेंबरच्या वतीनं आपले आभार मानतो. अंजलीताईच्या बद्दल अजून एक सांगावंच वाटते. मॅडम, मी सुरुवातीपासून म्हणजे भास्कर सरांनी जेव्हापासून हे चॅनल चालू केलं कोरोना काळात, तेव्हापासून मी त्यांच्या सोबत आहे आणि माझ्या माहितीप्रमाणे तुमचं पण मार्गदर्शन या 3ऱ्या वर्षी सुद्धा होत आहे. त्यावेळेस पहिल्या वर्षी पण होतं, दुसऱ्या वर्षी पण आहे आणि यावर्षी पण तुम्ही विद्यार्थ्यांना मार्गदर्शन करत आहात. तर आपल्या या उत्साहाबद्दल मी आपल्याला सलाम करतो आणि असंच आपलं मार्गदर्शन पुढे मिळो अशी अपेक्षा करतो. त्यानंतर आज आपल्या या कार्यशाळेमध्ये संचलन आणि आभार प्रदर्शन करण्याची जबाबदारी वाशिम जिल्ह्याला दिली होती. तर आमच्या वाशिम जिल्ह्यातील हरवणारी ललित भुरे सर यांनी सुंदर असं संचालन केलं. त्यासोबत ही जी त्रिमूर्ती आहे, म्हणजे त्रिमूर्ती म्हणजे कोण? एक भास्कर सर, डॉक्टर रवींद्र भास्कर सर, दुसरे आहे बांगर सर आणि तिसरे आहे आमचे प्रतीक जिरांदे. या त्रिमूर्ती एकत्र आल्या आणि अख्ख्या महाराष्ट्रभर या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी NTS असो, NMS असो, शिष्यवृत्ती परीक्षा असो, या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी सर्व स्पर्धा परीक्षेचं मार्गदर्शन, मोफत मार्गदर्शन त्यांनी वेळ एक, दिवस एक, रविवारी 11 वाजता गेल्या 3 वर्षापासून याच वेळेवर याच दिवशी ते सातत्यानं देत असतात. आज त्याचे सबस्क्रायबर खूप झालेले आहेत. खूप विद्यार्थी, पालक ह्या कार्यशाळा ऐकतायत आणि याचे रिझल्ट पण सुद्धा दिसतात. मागच्या वर्षी अकोल्यामधून खूप सारे विद्यार्थी NTS मध्ये पास झाले. मॅडम, तुम्हाला सुद्धा माहित असेल की फक्त म्हणजे मार्गदर्शन तर ही जी टीम आहे ही मार्गदर्शन तर करतेच. महाराष्ट्रातल्या कानाकोपऱ्यातल्या सर्व लोकांना एकत्र करून महाराष्ट्रभरातल्या लोकांना मार्गदर्शन करते. त्यासोबत जे विद्यार्थी पास होतात, पात्र होतात पहिल्या परीक्षेसाठी, दुसऱ्या परीक्षा देईपर्यंत सुद्धा त्यांना मार्गदर्शन मिळते आणि दुसरी परीक्षा दिल्यानंतर, पहिली परीक्षा दिल्यानंतर त्यातले जे उत्तीर्ण विद्यार्थी होतात त्यांचा सत्कार सुद्धा मोठ्या प्रमाणात मागच्या वर्षी घेतला गेला. म्हणून ही जी त्रिमूर्ती म्हटलं मी, ही त्रिमूर्ती एकत्र आली आणि महाराष्ट्रभरासाठी एक चांगली गोष्ट झाली. कोरोनानं खूप काही वाईट दिलं, पण खूप काही चांगलं सुद्धा आपल्याला शिकण्याची संधी दिली. त्याचं तीच आमच्या डॉक्टर रवींद्र भास्कर सर आणि त्यांची जी टीम आहे त्यांनी केलं. त्याबद्दल त्यांचे सुद्धा मी खूप खूप आभार मानतो. पालकांनी, विद्यार्थ्यांनी आज कार्यशाळा शांतपणे ऐकली. त्या सर्व काही शिक्षक सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये होते. त्यांना सगळ्यांना विनंती करेल की ही जी लिंक आहे ही सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवा, पालकापर्यंत पोहोचवा, शाळापर्यंत पोहोचवा आणि याचा जास्तीत जास्त फायदा आपल्या महाराष्ट्रातल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना होऊ द्या आणि स्पर्धा परीक्षेमध्ये आपल्या महाराष्ट्रातले विद्यार्थी टॉपमध्ये राहतील, जास्त संख्येने राहतील अशी अपेक्षा करतो आणि आजची कार्यशाळा संपवतो. धन्यवाद.